So I'm here today at Ray Mill. This is one of the Global Grooves studio spaces where we created and prepared a lot of our giant puppets and wandering acts, and as you can see behind me, the whole thing has burnt down to a crisp.
So everything that we've been working on for the past 5 years has unfortunately been completely destroyed. Nothing will be salvageable, and we won't be able to access any of the spare materials to recover any of it.
Everything from Mossley Light Festival in year 1, which was Constance Winstanley. There was the Chinese dragon. We had 2 Chinese artists come over and worked with us and created this beautiful dragon that is now no more. Alphen and Elder, Rimmon, and then the Boggart's gone. Oh, the Rose Queen has gone. The beautiful horse that Mel made has gone. I mean, the list just keeps going on. This is a pretty major curveball. We were just sort of gearing up for all of our summer season, getting all our puppets ready, making some adjustments to previous work ready for the summer of gigs coming up, right through to winter actually. So the news that every single puppet and structure had been destroyed was probably the worst news to get.
A lot of those items would have been going out in new contracts on the streets for different events, festivals, and the income generated from those contracts is how we sustain work within communities. So our entire community engagement programme, a lot of our future leaders programme, a lot of our core work will be severely affected by this because we won't be able to reinvest those profits back into the organisation. We've already received incredible support from our network, and that's really helped us through the last few days since the fire happened. And we're confident that with the support of our network we'll be able to recover from this. You can help Global Grooves by donating to our crowdfunder, by sharing our crowdfunder around your networks, around social media, by talking about us and by telling our story around the local area, around the UK and around the world. With the money that's raised through this crowdfunder, we're going to make the best work we've ever made. We're going to use all that learning from the last 5 years of incredible projects with incredible people and incredible artists and create something that's bigger, bolder and better than we've ever done before. And once we've done it, we're going to go out onto the streets, we're going to have a big party and invite all you lot to come and join us, and it's going to be amazing.
Financially we won't be able to recreate everything, but also you just can't recreate that kind of energy.
And so what we'd like to do is explore ways of rebuilding our stock with new pieces of work as well, to sort of represent a bit of the hope and look forwards rather than backwards. We're hoping to build a giant phoenix after this. It feels appropriate.
Global Grooves needs your help to rebuild our carnival stock.
Anything you can spare to donate to our campaign would be hugely appreciated. If you can't donate anything, don't worry, but if you could share the campaign as far as you can.
And help us spread the word and help us recover and move forward to be even more awesome.
Global Grooves can't wait to get back out on the road for our next carnival production and invite you all to join us for that party. Thank you.